Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on all apps, and here from this tab let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got the option reset up preferences, and your device, after tapping on it, of course, your device will inform you what it actually will reset. So it will reset disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.